In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Printful with your Shopify store. This setup allows you to sell print-on-demand products without handling inventory yourself. So let's get started. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and look at the left side menu. Next, click on Apps. This section allows you to install tools and integrations for your Shopify store. Inside the Apps page, use the search bar and type Printful. Once Printful appears in the results, click on it and then click Install. You may see a few permission prompts during the setup process. Simply approve the permissions so Shopify and Printful can connect properly. If you don't already have a Printful account, you'll now be asked to create one. You can sign up using Google or create an account manually by following the on-screen instructions. After creating your account, Printful will automatically connect to your Shopify store. Once you arrive at the Printful dashboard, click Add Product to start creating your first print-on-demand item. You'll now see a large catalog of products including shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters, and more. Choose the product you want to sell and click on it. Next, upload your design by clicking Upload or by dragging and dropping your artwork into the design area. Once your design appears on the product, adjust the size and placement if needed. Then click Apply. After that, click Continue to move forward. Now choose your preferred mockups. These are the preview images customers will see in your Shopify store. Once you've selected your mockups, click Continue again. Next, edit your product title and description so they match your brand and clearly explain the product. After that, set your product pricing based on your profit goals. When everything looks good, click Submit to Store. Your Printful product will now automatically sync to your Shopify store and become available for customers to purchase. Whenever someone places an order, Printful handles the printing, packing, and shipping for you automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Printful with Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.